my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video I'm talking about the Kisho INU. Absolutely Kisho millionaire. You're watching ABS and you are my viewers, so please click the subscribe button, because at this time you're watching ABS, you're listening my voice. Click the subscribe button for more this kind of news and updates. You know what, I'm very happy today because my Kisho has started jumping upward, but they are going for the moon. Today I'm very happy. Trust me, what's your impression about Kisho? I'm very happy, I'm very excited to see this kind of change occur in the Kisho. 200, approximately a 200 positive change occur in the Kisho. Oh my god, I'm very excited today. I'm very excited to see at this time the Kisho, the Shiba token, and the Hawk is going for the moon at this time. These three cryptocurrencies as very fastly at this time in the cryptocurrencies market. If we look the prices occur in the Kisho, the 0.00001 US dollar, a lot of bundle, and after a bundle of 0 there is a 1. That's the current price. But I hope that very soon the price of the Kisho as 0.01 US dollar. My target for the Kisho as 0.01 US dollar. What's your prediction? Please tell me in the comment box, and let's see, as you can see here, the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week, the whole change occurred about the Kisho as positive. Absolutely, that's a good news. That's a good news for all of you friends. Let's see the price chart of the Kisho. What's going this time in the Kisho? Absolutely, you already know that Kisho is moving to the moon. The big pump occurred in the Kisho. That is a very urgent update for all of you friends. Don't do this mistake, at this time. Be safe from lows. Don't sell Kisho at this time, friends. It's time to only hold Kisho. Hold Kisho and make a good amount of profit with the Kisho at this time. The price is very fastly moving up. That is only the last 1 day, approximately 190%. 190%, friends. I'm not joking, that's reality. 190% price occur change and a Kisho token. Oh my god, that's going for the moon, and the highest price is 0.0001 US dollar. The current price, as you can see here, 0.0000, a bundle of 0, and after a bundle of 0 there is a 9, friends. So absolutely Kisho Mac millionaire. And this month, what's your prediction about Kisho? Please share in the comment box, and kindly friends, don't forget to subscribe. I will stay channel for more this kind of news and updates.